It's time for tech, but I might as well call it time for phones since that covers the first half of this show. The first of the phones is the Galaxy S22 series. All models have their design leaked out, and it appears to have quite a few cameras and sensors built in. The design is boxy, yet the corners are rounded, kind of like the Galaxy Note 20. That's a phone that I also hope will see a revival, but I'm not sure since a new version didn't come out this year. I still have 3 more days that I can say this year to people since it's only the 29th of December. Anyways, another news with the S22 lineup, the processor will be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 with a variable 120Hz display. That processor will use roughly 30% less power than before, which will increase its battery life. The cameras this year will have even more impressive zoom capabilities with 2 telephoto cameras, one of which can zoom in 10 times optically. All of this will be pretty expensive though, so you might as well look into the ONEPLUS 10. ONEPLUS's mid-range flagship device will come out for pre-order on January 4th. This is pretty close to the release of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition that's meant to compete in a similar price bracket. ONEPLUS's 10 Pro will also use the same Snapdragon processor and a 5000 mAh battery that the S22 Ultra will use. I can tell that there's going to be a lot of competition for Android phones this year, and I think it'll mostly come down to the cameras for those conventionally designed phones. But for foldables, it's an even bigger year. Motorola is continuing the RAZR lineup for a 3rd generation. The RAZR used a different kind of hinge mechanism that made the crease in the display not as apparent, and the cover display is still one of the best for checking notifications without having to open up the phone. Now for 2022, a more powerful chip will arrive to the Chinese market up first, and most likely branch out later on. No other information is known so far, but more foldables are here to come in the new year. The electric car startup RIVIAN is still working with Amazon to make delivery vans, and they're now being spotted, this time in Michigan. A Twitter user discovered one at an EVgo station and noted its big size. It does indeed look pretty large, almost like a FedEx or UPS van. NHTSA filings also show that Amazon has 2 different sizes, a 500 and a 700 cubic foot variant. The last piece of EV news is about the Tesla Supercharger network opening up with CCS connectors. Teslas have always used their own proprietary connectors, unlike other EVs that use the standard CCS plug. Tesla, however, filed for a charger with equal amounts of Tesla plugs and CCS plugs in the same location. This is being done because Tesla can install the chargers for free using state grant money that requires them to add both a CCS plug and a Tesla plug into the same station. Also, this could be a sign of Tesla wanting to expand their network of chargers to other car companies that have had to rely on third-party brands like Electrify America or EVgo. The EV stations haven't been installed yet, so we'll have to wait and see what happens over the next coming months. CES 2022 is still taking place this year in Las Vegas, and expect some videos about that to come out in a week or 2 as new tech is showcased. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to more Time for Tech episodes dropping every week, along with other tech content. Thanks for watching, stay safe as we head into the new year, and I'll see you next time on Tech Device News.